Mr. Ashok Kajaria is CMD at Kajaria Ceramics. He's joining us right now to take some questions. Mr. Kajaria, thank you for joining us. You were just telling us that the Morbi cluster has been shut from the 10th of August, right? It only till the 10th of September.
There are roughly about 750 plants out there. They're shut down. They have taken a plant shutdown from 10th of August to 10th of September. Right now, there are about 74 plants working. That's what our information is. And about 675 are shut down.
And there's clarity now. They will open from the 11th of this month.
Yeah, they should start working from 11th. That's what the information.
In a phased manner, or
yeah.
Okay. And they'll start to focus on and they'll use propane or natural gas.
See, out of 750 plants, about 150 plants are currently on propane, but there is some price difference in propane and gas. Normally, it happens three months in a year. That's what has been happening. But unfortunately, because of this problem at Ukraine and Russia, the gas prices have gone through the roof. So that's why they are able to use propane right now.
Mr. Kajaria, good morning. So, Jefferies put out this report where they said that the exports from Morbi are expected to rise to 50% of production in 3 years versus 35% now. Can you tell us, is that a reasonable assumption? How much is Morbi exporting currently? And what would this mean for your own business?
See, last year data I give you, it will have information to you. Last year, the industry was 21,000 crores of domestic and 12,700 crores of exports. This year, what we are looking at, the scenario, the domestic should grow at about 22,500 crores. Export should grow at 17,000 crores plus, which I shared earlier also in my earlier interview. Why? Because in spite of the gas prices having been raised in India, we are very competitive compared to Europe. Europe, the gas prices have gone up by almost 6 to 8 times. So India in the export market has become very competitive. And you'll be happy to know that the biggest market today for India is America, USA. Next is Saudi Arabia in spite of anti-dumping. So and for the first 3 months, the exports have been to the extent of about 4,000 crores.
Okay. So you're saying if exports are going to be at 17,000 crore plus from Morbi, what would this mean?
Total exports from India will be 17,000.
Total exports, okay. And for your own company, can you tell me what would the export growth be and what would this mean for overall volumes? Because you've guided for 15 to 20% volume growth, but now after becoming more competitive, you think you can do better than that?
No, I think it will be a difficult task to do better than that. We are aiming at 15 to 20% volume growth. That we are sticking to it, and we are putting all our 6-year efforts to do that. See, unfortunately, July, August has been tough for industry. That's why Morbi has also taken a 1-month shutdown for the plant shutdown. At the dealer level, the inventories are still there in July and August, but everybody is hoping that from September onwards, things should start looking up. Because September is a pre-festival month, and after that, next 6 months, as we all know, are very positive for all the industries, more or less, and especially for the building industry, will be very, very positive. So I'm sure that we should look at a 15 to 20% volume growth and 20 to 25% revenue growth also at the same time for the year.
Yeah. Last 3 years, volume growth has been about 6-7%, right? For you?
No. Last year, the volume growth was 22%.
3 year CAGR, sir.
Last year, the volume growth was 22%.
Over a 3 year...
The revenue growth was 33%.
Yeah, last year. I'm talking about last 3 year CAGR.
Yeah. It's been tough.
Yeah.
Before that, it's been tough.
Yeah.
And things are better on the ground level. Getting better on the ground level. And the key reason, as I've always said, is GST.
Okay. Yeah. Mr. Kajaria, you continue to largely operate, you and Somani, etc., on natural gas, right? Your plants.
Yes.
When you said that you're becoming more competitive, was Europe a very large competitor? Plants there?
See, for exports, Europe has been one of the biggest competitors. Even China, the gas prices have gone up very high. Industry is passing through very difficult times in China because, as we are all aware, some of the builders over there have gone bankrupt or haywire. So China is also in difficult conditions. India, as far as exports are concerned, is very, very competitive. Very competitive.
China is a net exporter of ceramics, sir? Or traditionally, historically?
No, China has been a good exporter, but of last 3 years, a lot of anti-dumping has been put in. And due to COVID, a lot of people have reluctant to buy from China. So I think India has taken advantage of that. And just for information, China was the biggest exporter. Their exports have come down by almost 50% in the last 2 years. And India, which was literally non-existent in USA, has taken a big market lead as far as the US market is concerned.
These are changes which will last, which are in a way permanent, sir. These kind of changes, or
should last, because we as a country are very, very competitive, and a lot of credit goes to Morbi people because we are very competitive as an industry.
Okay. Can you tell us a little bit about the gas supply issue? How is it currently? And this leads me to, what happens with margins, because you had said that the margins will improve further if the gas supply improves. What would the margin band be?
Margins are under a lot of pressure right now. The gas prices have gone through the roof, as we are all aware, because of this war. There is also some cut in the northern plants by GAIL. So currently we are facing a lot of pressure as far as margins are concerned.
Okay.
Things should start looking up for second half, but as of now, we are under a lot of pressure as far as margins are concerned.
So when you say a lot of pressure, you're sitting still at 15% margins, which is not bad considering the challenges. Through the course of the year, can you maintain double-digit margins, or do you fear that it could perhaps go to single-digit as well because of the gas situation?
No. We are confident. Whatever the scenario would be, we should be between 15 to 16% EBITDA margins for the full year.
Okay. And any more price hikes that you can manage, or not quite because of the demand situation?
We have just taken a price hike from yesterday of another 10 rupees a square meter, which is about roughly 2 to 2.5%.
Okay, so 2 to 2.5% price hike is what you took yesterday. Is that it for now, or could you take more?
For the time being, yes, that's it. Then we look at how the scenario goes as far as gas is concerned.
yeah.
That's the thing which is a challenging task right now.
Yeah. No, absolutely. Point taken, sir. But otherwise, demand, etc., is pretty strong, right? Overall, local demand.
Like tough, as I said. First quarter was good, and we are hoping that September onwards things should start improving. The dealers are confident that with the festive season coming in, things should be better from September. They have some pipeline. That is why the Morbi people have also taken a shutdown for 1 month.
Right.
I think that's a very positive decision on part of Morbi people, because that will even out the demand supply.
No, so the shutdown primarily, that is largely a gas supply issue, right? Prices of gas...
No. Also demand. Gas was not a problem for them. The demand supply mismatch.
So there was too much in the market already, oversupplied market.
Exactly. Okay.
And that is evened out now, you're saying? Should even out?
1 month of shutdown from Morbi is a big thing as far as industry is concerned.
Okay.
You were telling us about gas prices. What is the spot gas prices currently? Has it cooled off from the peak in any way?
No. Gas prices have not cooled off. It is at the highest what we have seen in the last so many years. Okay. It's currently at about 61 rupees per SCM. All plants combined.
Okay.
All right. All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Kajaria. Great speaking with you, sir.